Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Welcome Tours. Hope you're all doing well. I'm on the Marmaris Promenade. I'm just doing a price point to show you guys what you can expect for your money if you want to get like a steak, fish and a pint of beer. So let's see Wagwan, you guys know the vibe. So we are outside the Diana. You've got the football showing later. Let's have a look at a price point for you. So if you're going to get a steak, so that's 1,400, fish dish, let's have a look, salmon 1,000, is that 100? So yeah, not a bad price. They got their deals as well. Happy hour, so you've got your cocktails. So yeah, you've got everything you need. Ooh. Oh, I'm not stopping, I'm just doing a video for my channel. How much would it be for like a large beer? 150, that's a really good price point. Thank you very much, guys. So that's the Diana. That's a really good price. And then we got a Hana, which is next door. So they got lunch and a dinner menu. We're going to do the dinner menu. Let's see what it is for dinner. It's actually usually a bit more pricier. So fillet steak, $8.90. That's actually really, really good. And then we got the, so they do a fish dish? No, but let's do like a, I don't know, chicken barbecue pizza, 5. Chicken breast, 6. So not bad prices, and again they've got their deals on as well. Buy one get one free. Hello. Good, thank you very much.
So Hana also, by the way, Hana means family.
Yes.
We just came from Lira and Stitch.
Ah, beautiful. Thank you.
Family places.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. There you go. So a nice little family restaurant there. So again, all the prices are really good. Hotel there. Pool and right on the beach. Oh look, you've got the big pirate beach coming in. Pirate boat coming in there. Whew, absolutely sweating. Put a football shirt on today, so I want to be a little bit more covered up because the heat here is really, really hot, and I had my hat on earlier, so I've taken that off just to get a little bit of sun on my face. But yeah, it is really, really lovely weather. Very, very nice. Gonna enjoy it, make the most of it before I go home back to, hopefully not too cold. Going back to autumn, I don't mind autumn. Quite a fan of, well, it's my birthday month, so I'm an autumn baby. So not really that fussed about autumn. So when it gets to winter, I get a bit, it's not my favourite. Right, what have we got down here? So we're coming sort of like round to the end. We have done a longer walk. So again, if you go to our videos, we've got a walk going all the way to Ishmael from Marmaris, and we do it all along this side. So along the promenade, we do like a really nice walk. That's the Tui Blue Spa, nice. And you can see that on there. It's a really, really nice walk. I do recommend it. I'll probably say this time of year, it'd be nice to do it sort of early morning, early evening. If you're doing it during the day, the heat is going to be quite a lot, so you might have to stop off at like every bar and restaurant to make sure you're staying hydrated. And I've just given you the prices, so hopefully that'll help you out. Like I said, this is just an informative way to give you guys a rough idea if you are looking to come out, if you haven't been out for a while and you just want to know what to expect. It just gives you a heads up and a nice idea of how much you need to splurge, or how much you don't need to splurge depending on your budget. See what I said about the excursions? They're literally every couple of minutes. So if you do want one, they're all over. Heads up to the main street. So we've got another little bar here. Looks like it's part of a hotel. Yeah, this looks like a hotel one. So we'll keep going. Got your beautiful mountains in the background. Ice cream. Everyone's showing the football tonight. Hello. Hey. So this bar is Capria. Let's have a look. Yeah, suites. That's more like the suite side. Let's see what it says on here. It says it's Hotel Capria. There we go. Seafood. So we got the salmon, 800 lira. Snacks, Turkish cuisine. We got a steak, New York steak, 990. So there we go, and that's, I think, part of the hotel. Big stage back there as well, if you guys can see. Nice big space. Right, let's keep going. So this looks like a nice little hotel as well. Again, more sort of like apartments. Nice sort of big sized balconies. That's the Ankara. Again, might be pronouncing these incorrectly, but hopefully hold it there long enough that you guys can read it. We're in Marmaris along the water promenade, just to give you guys a little taste of where we are. Sort of early afternoon, still glorious sunshine, absolutely roasting. So I'm probably going to end it at the next bar and restaurant. As I can see, we're sort of coming to the end a bit. But yeah, loads of choice, so many bars and restaurants along here. Really are sport for choice. I do like that on the promenade, that you can walk along and you can kind of make a decision on what you like, sort of vibe-wise. What sort of tickles your fancy. It's a nice one. A little upstairs bit as well. It's always good. Little VW Waffle House. Little excursion place. Oh, someone's out on the car over there, the little gold one. Don't know if you guys can see that. There we go, they look really fun. Nice little seating area, get the sun all day there. Very nice. Right, we'll do this last restaurant just coming up here and then I'll end the vlog there. So if you have stuck around, appreciate it. I hope this has been helpful for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Really, really does help out the channel. So this one is, where's the name of this one? Pasa Beach restaurant. So fillet steak, 850 lira. Seafood, where's the salmon? So grilled salmon fillet, 1,100. They also do deals there as well. Not bad. English breakfast, so you've got full English, 320 lira. Not bad at all. So yeah, going to bring it to a close. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed that. I'm going to go find a bar and have a little drink, enjoy the last bit of the sunshine, and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.